Hey guys, welcome to my channel or welcome back to my channel depending on if you're a subscriber. If you're not a subscriber, be sure to hit that button down below or wherever it is, and if you like this video, give it a huge thumbs up. So for those of you who don't know, I actually go to school 8 hours away from my hometown. It's about 500 miles, 450 give or take, and I just do a lot of road trips, so I'd like to consider myself an expert road trip taker by now because I've done this like 30 times. And in order to have a fun road trip, these are my must-haves. First things first, I have sensitive eyes, so I need sunglasses. Just depending on the day, it can be like blinding outside. It's snowy, so the light reflects off the snow, so it's coming at me from all directions. So excuse me, so I need sunglasses, and actually the visor that you put down I'm too short and it doesn't work for me, so I definitely need sunglasses. Another thing that I make sure to have is snacks. So I have this container full of strawberries. I've got a banana, I've got a Halo, which might be a little bit hard, maybe I'll pre-peel it, and a Cliff Bar, and double stuffed Oreos because you can never go wrong with them. And I'm always sure to stop and grab some caffeine before I start my road trip. I think I'm going to go to Starbucks and get an acai refresher because that's my favorite, and it doesn't make my tummy hurt because I'm allergic to coffee. The next thing I'm always sure to have is water, so I just have my water bottle with some cool stickers, and I just fill that up before I go. Also, make sure you have gas in your car and that your car's in working order. I have like an emergency kit in my car in case anything went wrong, because for 8 hours I'm by myself driving, and sometimes I'm literally in the middle of nowhere where there's no cell service, no radio. So I'm always sure to like have backup plans. And then lastly, you need entertainment. So I'm the type of person that'll bounce between radio, CD, aux, but I have two of my many CDs here. I have Taylor Swift's New Reputation and La La Land. La La Land literally got me through last year. I know every word to every song in that entire movie. And on my phone, other than a text from my mom, I have music on my phone, and then I have the Amazon Music app here, and because I have Prime, so I'm just using Amazon Music. I have a Spotify account, but it's not premium or anything. And then under playlists, I have a road trip playlist. It's currently 96 songs. I'm always adding to it. And an app that I found within like the last 2 months that's actually one of my favorites now. It's called Overdrive. It's just a little O, and I know it's blurry and you can't see it, but this is Overdrive, and if you just click it, you rent audiobooks. So these are the current ones. I'm gonna listen to this one, but you rent them with your library card. You can get audiobooks and ebooks. I just use the audiobooks, but I really enjoy a good audiobook. So depending on how I'm feeling today, I'm either gonna blare some music or listen to an entire book on my drive. Yeah. So I hope you guys like this video. I think it's kind of like different yet similar to what I have been making recently. I was gonna film this on my camera, but it's in the back of my stuffed car. Something that I forgot to mention is comfortable clothes. You don't want to just be sitting in the car and be uncomfortable for 8 hours. And I don't wear makeup on road trips because I don't like the makeup to just sit there and clog my pores and make me break out more than I already am. I always have a phone charger and aux cord in my car, and I also always have this Carmex in my car, that way when it gets hot it doesn't melt everywhere. But yeah, I think that's it. I actually have a container full of strawberries. I guess I can show you. I don't see why not. So I'm gonna continue on my road home. I've been in here for 3 hours already, so here we go. Literally the amount of ums I cut out of videos when I'm editing is ridiculous.